Corruption is a virus that cripples all of us. You just can't see it with your naked eyes, but you experience it in the worst ways that sometimes life is lost. Corruption promotes poor social services and underdevelopment. How can a country like us be ranked the 15th poorest country in the world with all the resources we have? Do we really put our resources to good use? Or is it because of the corrupt officials? Yes, all this is due to the corruption in our country. When you take a glimpse at the health sector, you get amused and at the same time deprived. The amusement comes in when you see the condition of the hospital buildings that are about to collapse on patients, lack of medicine in hospitals, doctors that strike time after time due to delay in payment of their wages, which could lead to death of vulnerable patients. Now just take a look at Chiumba Hospital in Masaka. Just a glance at it makes tears drive your heart. Now, when we get to the education sector, schools where we educate the nation at the age of downfall. Absenteeism of teachers from class and the school fees is just another level of stopping us from attending school. And then you come telling us UPE is in place. Seriously? Is that what you call UPE? Lack of study materials is also an issue. Then how do you really expect me to survive in this new curriculum? And when I drop out to work on Papa's farm, I get shocked when I hear a kilogram of maize is 700 Yugi shillings. Then seriously, how will I survive? Ha! The best but worst part is here. The transport sector. We all use be it pedestrians, drivers, or even riders. But just look at our roads on which we spend tons of money, full of potholes as if they were part of the plan. A driver brings a pothole and ends up colliding with another driver, causing an accident where lives are lost. We always got to saying accidents are caused due to overspeeding, but they are also caused by the poor roads we have. Work on them and see if the accidents will be as many as this. Just look at the accidents that have happened on Masaka Road. How many lives have we lost? Then what do the taxes we pay do? If you say construct roads, then why is it that in a period of 6 months, they're full of potholes? Do you even check the contractor's quality on their work before you give them the contract? We really need our taxes to be put to good use. But all this happens because of the corruption in our country. That bribery, nepotism, and embezzlement of public funds are still keeping us behind. But we can fight it if you and I join hands to whistleblow all the corrupt officials, promote TAC, which is transparency, accountability, and anti-corruption. Corruption has 3 stages that help it to survive. That is the giver, the acceptor, and the gratification. But if you promote anti-corruption, we shall destroy the giver, the acceptor, and the gratification won't be available. We should also promote transparency and accountability in public offices and government projects so as to fight corruption in our country. Transparency, accountability, and anti-corruption is the way to go in the fight against corruption. It begins with you and I for a corruption-free Uganda.